Hi everyone, I'm Jean. Welcome to Decorate for the Culture, and today I will be showing you how to make plates. Here I have a beautiful faceless Dominican doll. You'll need a printout, clear plastic plate, scissors, and you'll need a self-adhesive laminate roll. I found this one at Michael's. The link will be below. You cut it. Here you have it. I used cardstock, but you can use just regular paper. And here you have your plate. You're going to put the plate upside down, and you're going to put the design upside down. You take your laminate roll and cut with a little bit of edge left over. See, if we cut to the exact size, we don't want that. So it can actually adhere to the plate. Now you remove it. Doesn't matter which direction it is, right? Because the plate is clear. And now the sticky part, we put it on top of the white part. Try to do it starting in one corner to avoid air bubbles, right? And even if you get a little, it's okay. What matters is having enough room to stick your design. And there you have it.